Motions of the Earth. The Earth has two types of motion, rotation and revolution. Rotation of the Earth. The motion of the Earth about its axis is known as rotation. The direction of this movement varies with the viewer's position. From the North Pole, the rotations appear to move in a counterclockwise fashion. Looking down at the South Pole, the Earth's rotation appears clockwise. The Earth rotates once in 24 hours. The Earth's rotation is responsible for the daily cycle of day and night. At any one moment in time, one half of the Earth is in the sunlight while the other half is in darkness. When the Earth rotates, we get day and night. The edge dividing the day from night is called the circle of illumination. Rotation indicates the length of the diurnal cycle, that is, day and night cycle. The Earth rotates on its axis, that is tipped over at about 23.5 degrees. The Earth rotates at approximately 15 angular degrees per hour. So, the Earth's surface moves at the equator at a speed of about 467 meters per second or slightly over 1675 km per hour. Results of rotation. Rotation causes day and night. As the Earth rotates on the axis, one half faces the sun. This half experiences day, while the other half experiences night. High and low tides is also the effect of rotation of the Earth. This occurs when the Earth spins and the sun and the moon pull it. One force is usually stronger than the other. Wind speed and direction is also the cause of rotation. Wind on Earth comes from different directions. Different places could get stronger surge of wind as a result of the Earth's speed of rotation. Revolution of the Earth. The Earth revolves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. It takes about 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. The distance between the Earth and the Sun changes due to revolution. This change of direction also causes change in seasons. The Earth revolves in an elliptical shape. As the Earth revolves, it gets closer and farther away from the Sun. The angle that the Sun hits the Earth causes the season. Results of the Earth's revolution. Seasonal variation, varying lengths of the day and night. Summer, winter, autumn and spring. Solstices and equinoxes are also the results of Earth's revolution. Solstices. The solstice is the day of the year when sunlight is furthest north or south of the equator. Our summer solstice occurs on June 21st, the first day of summer, and winter solstices occur on December 21st, the first day of the winter. On June 21st, the sun reaches its highest and the northernmost position in the sky at the noon. This moment is called summer solstice. At the summer solstice, the sun rays falls vertically on the Tropic of Cancer. On the day of the summer solstice, the northern hemisphere has the longest day and shortest night. When the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, the rays of the sun are slanted on it and the days are shorter. On December 22nd, the sun reaches its lowest and southernmost position in the sky at the noon. This moment is called winter solstice. At the winter solstice, the sun rays falls vertically on the Tropic of Capricorn. On the day of the winter solstice, the northern hemisphere has the shortest day and longest night. The equinox occurs twice a year when the sun is directly overhead at the equator. On the equinox, the hours of the daylight equals the hours of darkness. Seasons in the northern and southern hemisphere are opposite. Twice in a year, that is on 21st March and 23rd September, the sun appears in the sky at the position midway between the solstice's position. Then the sun appears directly overhead at the equator at noon. These moments are called equinox. At an equinox, the Earth's axis is tilted neither towards the sun nor away from it. On the day of an equinox, the day and night are equal in length. In northern hemisphere, the equinox on 21st March is called the spring or vernal equinox. The equinox on 23rd September is called the autumn equinox.